Hey, it's Mike with AllBrite Pressure Washing More. Welcome to the channel. This is part 2 of laser cleaning, trying to clean stain off of wood without any damage. In another video, I cleaned the sides and drawers of this nightstand and had some pretty good results, but this time they're even better. On the first pass, I'm removing about 98% of the stain. I'm then going to adjust the pulse width and do a second pass to get these stubborn areas off, followed by a final pass to smooth it out. This video was sped up in real time. It took about 15 minutes to do the top, which I think is way faster than sanding, and the results speak for themselves. Removing stain from wood is a pretty hard thing to do without damaging it, but when it works, it's incredible. The plan for me is to restore items with a laser that pressure washing and chemicals really can't do, such as wood furniture, fire damage, graffiti removal, rust removal. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more restoration videos of pressure washing, gutter cleaning, soft washing, and now laser cleaning.